Love them or fear them, spiders are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Did you know there are over 45,000 species of spiders? From tiny jumpers to massive tarantulas, they all play a vital role in nature. Some spiders, like the jumping spider, don't spin webs. Instead, they use their incredible eyesight and agility to hunt their prey. And those webs, they're made of silk that's 5 times stronger than steel of the same thickness. Spiders help control pests like mosquitoes and flies, making them heroes in our homes and gardens. From their incredible skills to their unique beauty, spiders are truly amazing. Who's Team Spider? Drop a spider in the comments if you are.